Kumno bantek samla haktin pareng. What are you doing? Kasi pidang le ayu. I am just sitting. And you? Kasi nga shu shongkai pipat. I am texting you. Kasi nga dang tek yapi. Are you alone? Kasi pi don marway. No, I am with my parents. Kasi em nga don lang bat gikme gikpa. What are they doing? Kasi gidang le ayu. They are watching TV. Kasi gidang pay TV. Have you finished your dinner? Kasi pila de bam. Not yet. And you? Kasi ompat de pipat. Me too. You did not hungry. Kasi ngaro pim klam tangan. No. And you? Kasi em pipat. I was about to eat now. Kasi nga mut ban ba menta. Text me when you are done. Kasi satik nga onda pila dem. Hello, are you sleeping? Kasi hello pilatia. No, I was waiting for your call. Kasi em ngarang ab yaka call chongpi. Love to her, Dad. Kasi singaw tanat ban yot singaw ta. Where are you going tomorrow? Kasi shano pinlay la shy. Tomorrow I have some work to do. Kasi la shy ngadon kato kane kikam panle. What do you think? Kasi ka ay people kan? I am thinking about you. Kasi nga dang berkat yapi. Can we meet tomorrow? Kasi long bangin ya kendo la shy. But you are busy. Kasi tang ba pi bunkam. I try to complete on time. Kasi ngan persyang ban pendem biang bar. Why you did not reply? Kasi balay pi lam reply. I am feeling sleepy. Kasi nga lasam tia. Okay, then we will meet tomorrow. Kasi to kata ngin ya untuk lesai. And what time you used to wake up? Kasi kat no bache pi shakir tia. Can call me when you wake up. Kasi sa call yanga on da pila kia tia. I'm waiting for your call. Kasi ngan ab ya ka call chong pi. I am waiting for you. Kasi ngan ab ya pi. Okay, thank you so much. Lada pi yo ching tôi na kanek video snail ba. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Till next video.